Authorities have identified high-risk districts for flooding and landslides including Sunsari, Udaipur, Saptari, Siraha, Danusha, Mahotri, Saralhi, Rautahat, Bara, Parsa, Sinduli, Dolka, Ramechak, Sindhu Palchok, Karve Palanchok, Kathmandu, Lalitpur, Bhaktapur, Makwanpur and Chitwan. Nepal had anticipated an above average monsoon this year, but rainfall patterns shifted unexpectedly, causing renewed heavy downpours even as the usual monsoon season ends.